Thank you, Madam Speaker, for this opportunity. Madam Speaker, I wish to present a matter of order touching our safety, and particularly my life. Being a victim of gun violence in this country, Madam Speaker, I've seen one of the security operatives inside this house, the one who is behind where you seated, Madam Speaker. Let him be subject to a security check. He has a gun. Let him be subject, because, Madam Speaker, I'm worried about...
Which one?
The one behind, the gentleman.
Which one? My bodyguard.
I don't know your bodyguard, Madam Speaker, but it's a security personnel. Come on. Madam Speaker guided so well, you must listen in silence. We shall not accept being bullied here. Come on. Maintain silence. Madam Speaker.
Wait. I want you to listen. Come and point for me the person. Show me the person. From there. Listen.
I know the rules. Why do you send me there?
Listen. Honorable Zaake.
Listen to me.
Honorable Zaake.
There's a gun in the house. Madam Speaker, I beg, let the security official be subject to a check if he does not have a gun.
First wait. Be calm. This is the Sergeant at Arms. This is the Sergeant at Arms. Sergeant at Arms, can you check? Check. Remove your jacket. No, let him be checked. Remove your jacket. Honorable members, the Sergeant at Arms has checked. And there is nothing. Yes, there is nothing. Can you sit? Can you sit? Can you sit? Can you sit? Honorable members.
Right, Honorable Speaker, I want to request you.
Honorable members, first take your seats. Honorable members, honorable members, honorable members, honorable members, honorable members. Let the member be taken out of the chamber and taken for treatment. He's injured. Let's have the person treated. Okay, first seat, first seat, first seat. Honorable members, we suspend the House for 30 minutes.